the machine is operated by single treadle. They are having one single treadle is there, by all the hooks are controlled by single treadle. This is connected by the means of pipe or thick cord, and needles are placed horizontally connected to each hook, and the same number of hooks in the machine, and four sided cylinder is also drilled hole on all sides kept near the machine facing the needles. Each side of the cylinder will have a same number of holes in the number of hooks in the machine. This is a mechanism. So, how it is functioning, the Jacquard-Sheddy mechanism. The design to be woven, first of all we are transferred the design to be transferred on the graph paper. So, looking on the graph paper, holes to be punched on the card. So, what is the design to be produced? First of all we have to transfer on graph paper. Looking on the graph paper, holes to be punched on the pattern card. The size of the card depend upon the Jacquard machine. Each card there will have a provision to punching the holes equal to the number of holes in the cylinder of the one side face of the cylinder. So, one face surface of the cylinder and one face surface of the card is equal. Suppose it having 16 number of holes means the card having also 16 number of holes. 32 number of holes means the card having 32 number of holes. Each card will represent one pick, and holes to be punched according to the order of raising and lowering the warp threads basing on the motif of the pattern. So, one motif of the pattern having 16 cards means 16 motif is means 16 cards to be punched and laced together in an endless chain manner and placed on the surface of the cylinder. Actually, the design making capacity, the design is given by the pattern card. This pattern card is giving the design. In handlooms we are applying the drafting and treadling order. Here we are applying some holes to be punched basing on the yarn to be lifted like that. So, this is the mechanism in the Jacquard-Sheddy mechanism is going on. So, always while depressing the treadle, always this cylinder having some two moment is there. One is actual moment and other one is sideway moment. The actual moment will always get one fresh card to the surface of the cylinder, and sideway moment means after this line of action, for getting the next picking, the holes to be punched, that needles to be inside of the pattern cylinder, that to be away from the line of action, then only we are getting the next card to be rounding like that. So, cylinder having two moments, one is actual moment, other one is sideway moment. After getting sideway moment only, actual moment is going on. So, that is the mechanism going on. So, basing on the repeat of the pattern, cards to be punched and laced together endless chain manner and placed on the cylinder. While depressing the cylinder, the card on which the cylinder will strike on the metal finger, they are having metal finger is there, strike on the metal finger, where there is holes on the face of this card, these needles will be permitted to the inner part of the cylinder. Where there is no holes means that needles will be getting some backward movement is there. So, holes is there, where there is holes means that needles may be permitted to enter the inner part of the cylinder. Where there is no holes is means that will be pushed forward, that will getting some backward action. So, where it is holes is there, that needles will be permitted to the inner part of the cylinder, that needles are connected with that one neck cord and neck cord and branches into hardness thread. Each hardness thread having some holes is there, that on that hole yarn to be drafting through the holes. So, which are the heddle frame, which are the hooks are coming to the line of action, that yarns will be lifted up along with the heddle frames. That will be lifted up. Lifted up means this top part will be forming according to the this one, which are the needles are entering the inner part of the cylinder, that will come to the line of action. So, gryph will be moving up when the treadle is depressed, gryph also lifted up. This simultaneous 3 action is going on. So, while depressing the cylinder treadle, the gryph will moving up and down like that. So, this one, which are the needles are permitted to enter into the inner part of the cylinder, that will come to the line of action, that needles also lifted up by the action of the gryph. So, this is how shed forming in Jacquard-Schedde mechanism. So, those strands are drafting through the melee also lifted up. This is the formation of top portion of the shed. So, they are having no holes in the punching cards, that may not be coming to the line of action, that will form the bottom part of the shed. So, that hooks are may not be in the line of action, that will have no moment, that will form the bottom part of the shed. This is how shed forming in Jacquard-Schedde mechanism. While weaving, they are having a chance to get it the mistakes, for weaving mistakes like that. So, they are having the provision of one fork type arrangement is there. This cylinder having 2 movement is there, one is forward movement, other one is reverse movement. Suppose while doing weaving, there is a chance to occurring mistakes. So, suppose 16th pick having some mistake means we have to pull the fork in reverse direction and pulled by which is the wrong woven picks, that have to be find out and remove one by one like that. So, there is a provision to rectifying mistakes on the matting also included in this mechanism. So, this is the most improved type of mechanism that exists in the weaving industry. So, any type of any complicated or geometrical or floral, any type of design can be woven with the help of Jacquard-Schedde mechanism. Actually, this is more applicable in textile industry, are having only limited uses. This is how shed forming in Jacquard-Schedde mechanism. If you have any doubt, you can ask through cell number is there, you can clarify through. If any clarification is required in this regard, you can call through on that one phone, I will clarify the doubts. Okay, thank you.